Good morning, my dear students, and welcome back to the class on direct and indirect speech. In today's class, we are going to deal with optative sentence. I hope you are familiar with the term called optative sentence. Still, we'll begin with the definition of optative sentence. What do you mean by optative sentence? Optative sentences indicate wish or prayer, which means when a sentence indicates a wish or prayer, it is known as optative sentence. I'll give some examples for you. May God bless you. May you live long. So these are the examples for optative sentence. Now what are we going to learn? We are going to see the rules that you need to keep in mind when you are converting an optative sentence from direct into indirect speech, which means there are some rules that you need to keep in mind when you are converting an optative sentence from direct into indirect speech. So what is rule number 1? Rule number 1 is related to the reporting verbs. The reporting verbs said and told will be changed into wished or prayed. So the change of reporting verbs from said and told to wished and prayed. Rule number 2, use the conjunction called that. So we have to use the conjunction that. Now rule number 3, direct speech structure will be may plus subject. As I said, may God bless you. So may plus subject. When it comes to indirect speech, it becomes subject plus might. It means may is changed into might and the structure is different now. What was may plus subject will be changed into subject plus might. So there is a change that happens in the structure. What is the difference between direct speech structure and indirect speech structure? I hope you have understood. Now what is rule number 4? Rule number 4 is related to the exclamatory mark will be converted to full stop. So when you are in the indirect speech, we do not use the exclamatory mark. Instead, we have to use the full stop. So these are the rules that you need to keep in mind when you are converting an optative sentence from direct into indirect speech. Now let's go through some examples so that you will understand these rules clearly. Direct speech, teacher said to me, may you get success in life. In direct speech, teacher wished that I might get success in life. So what are the changes? Change of reporting verb. Said is changed into wished. Use of conjunction that. Remember, teacher wished that. Structure, subject plus might. Subject is I, then we have used the word called might. So may plus subject is changed into subject plus might. The use of full stop at the end. I think now you have understood how to convert an optative sentence from direct into indirect speech. These are the 4 things that you must keep in mind. Now moving on to another example. Direct speech. My friend said, may God help you. Indirect speech. My friend prayed that God might help me. So what are the changes? Change of reporting verb said to prayed. Use the conjunction that. Structure, subject plus might. God might help me. At the end we have the full stop instead of the exclamatory mark. Now let's take one more example. Direct speech. People said God save the nation. Direct speech. People prayed that God might save the nation. So first, change of reporting verb said to prayed. Use of conjunction that. Structure is changed. God might. Subject plus might. At the end we have the full stop. I hope you have understood what do you mean by optative sentences and how to convert optative sentence from direct into indirect speech. So kindly go through the rules once again and try to understand it by yourself. So once again, take your studies seriously. Thank you.